The moment that you are waiting for is here in Resort Trimurti. How many times you will ruin your precious holiday? Well, it's time to pack the bags and cherish this wonderful season in one of the best hotels in Dooars. We just want you to have your best time with us and say, living the sweet life. Resort Trimurti. We are the first choice staying option for the travelers in Dooars, with the availability of elegant services for your exotic experience. Why choose Resort Trimurti? Peaceful environment, delicious and authentic cuisine, elegant accommodation, affordable room charge, ensures comfort and safety. The inclusion of classy rooms will make your stay delightful. There's a different life inside Resort Trimurti, the experience that will surely give you the sensational feeling. Our main facilities: free Wi-Fi service, LED television inside the room, regular laundry service, car parking facility, 24 hours running water supply, complimentary tea/coffee maker, multi-cuisine restaurant, availability of conference and banquet hall. So, don't wait up, just drive towards Resort Trimurti, one of the leading hotels in Dooars, because Mother Nature is waiting for you. Call us or visit our website.